Hello everyone, it's Juan, and I was requested to do a tutorial on the Typewriter pull-up. Now, the Typewriter pull-up is a great workout if you're trying to isolate your muscles. You would concentrate the pull-up starting either from the left or the right. Here, I'm pulling from the right, then using my right tricep to push to the left, while my left bicep is pulling to the left. And it's the same effect going the other way. Here's a front view. So here, I'm pulling from the right, pushing to the left and doing a negative back down to the starting position, and then pulling from the left, pushing to the right, then back down. You work your lats, your biceps, triceps, and also you can do bicycles where you're imitating riding a bike. The bartenders and bar stars include this while doing typewriters, but I honestly don't like it. It's supposed to work your abs, but I like to actually keep my legs up, like in here. This focuses more on your core, and also you could do an Lsit typewriter pull-up, which is a little more advanced because you need a strong core for that. Alright guys, that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thanks.